Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be quickly showing you how to use offer for sale for entering or buying a company share. So what is the difference between offer for sale and initial public offering, that is IPO? So during IPO, if a company which is not being traded in the share market and if it wants to be listed, if it is coming up for the first time, then it is initial public offering, that is IPO. But if a company which is already that shares is being traded in the market and it's already listed in the share market, but still if it wants to sell some more part of its shares to the public, then it comes up with this offer for sale. So that's the difference. So OFS happens only with the listed companies, whereas IPO happens with the fresh companies which is not at all listed in the market. So coming to OFS, I'll be showing you today using Zerodha account how to like buy the share of an office. So firstly, when you log into your Zerodha account, you can see this kind of dashboard, portfolio, reports, and other various options. In this options, you need to click on this portfolio. So when you click on portfolio, you can see all these options. Here you need to click on corporate actions. So when you click on corporate actions, you can see all the companies on that particular time date. You can see this date also, today's date, which is offering for OFS. So here there is IRCTC and other two more companies. Today I'll be showing you for IRCTC. So here you need to click on this three dots under this OFS. You can see three dots. When you select this one, there will be option for place order. Since I have already placed this order, so for me it is showing as pending. Here you can see this, it's already showing as pending. And even I'm getting one more option here, view orders. For people who are doing this for the first time, only place order option will be there. So click on the place order. So when you click on the place order, like this pop-up menu will come along with the quantity, price, and this cutoff option. So I always suggest or recommend to select this option, the cutoff price. So what is the advantage is, irrespective of the listing price, when you select this cutoff price, it will be applicable for you. But if you go with the default price, see this is the floor price which IRCT is coming up with, that is 1367. If you go with this default price and if the listing happens slightly higher, then it will be missed for you. So I always recommend select this cutoff price, then enter the number of quantity. For example, if you want 10 shares of IRCTs, then enter 10 here, then click submit. That's all. So that's it. This is the quick and easy way to buy the shares using OFS. And for people who are wondering how to do the same using the application, that is mobile app using your Kite application, it's not possible. So you have to do it through the website only. Even if you're doing trading using angel broking, even if you go to the app and see in the IPO section, it won't be available. So using your application app, it won't be available, or it won't be possible to do this. You need to log into your website console, then only this will be available. So if you have one more question, like should you go for this OFS, for IRCT OFS today, I would definitely recommend yes, because it's available at a very good price. From my point of view, definitely it's a good opportunity for people, especially who have missed the rally. If you see the 6 month this one, right, time rate, from maximum price it was trading was 1450 and minimum was 1300. So it was consolidating in this particular time range only. So now on December 2nd, it has shot up to 1700 maximum. That was the price. And once the government announced this OFS, again it came down to this range. So from last today, actually from morning, this is the range it has been trading. So 1400 was the lowest price and high was 1448. So definitely a good opportunity for people who want to enter into this, and the company is also having very good fundamentals, very strong fundamentals. So definitely I have already placed the order, as you can see here. But for people who are wondering, you can also do some analysis on the company, and according to your risk you can enter this. So that's it. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.